Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove phone number from Snapchat account. So first step that we're going to do is open up our Snapchat app and then go and sign in or log in with your account. So from here, tap on your profile icon at the top left-hand corner of your screen to open up your profile page. Now tap on the gear icon, which is settings at the top right. And here you will find your mobile number. So if you're going to delete your mobile number, you have no options here to remove your mobile number. So to basically hide to everyone, you just have to try to input or enter another mobile number. Or maybe you can just basically hide this number to others by toggling off this option, which is let others find me using my mobile number. So if you're going to toggle this off, then it will hide your number and they won't see your primary mobile number on Snapchat. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.